Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve a very important interview problem called contains duplicate, also known as LeetCode problem number 217. I will explain this line by line in a very simple and clear way. The question is simple. We are given an array of integers, and we need to check whether any number appears more than once. For example, here the number 1 appears twice, so the answer is true. If all numbers are unique, then the answer is false. We will solve this problem using a HashSet. Why HashSet? Because HashSet stores only unique values. If we try to add a value that already exists, we immediately know it is a duplicate. Now let's understand each line one by one. This is a method named contains duplicate. It returns a Boolean value, either true or false. This method contains the logic to check duplicates. Now we create a hash set. This set will store numbers we have already seen. Remember, HashSet does not allow duplicates. This loop goes through the array one element at a time. Each element is stored in a variable called value. This is the most important line. Here we check, have we already seen this value before? As soon as we find a duplicate, we return true. The program stops immediately. This line runs only if no duplicates are found. Time complexity is O of n. Space complexity is also O of n. This is the best and most common interview solution. If you understood this explanation, like, share, and subscribe for more LeetCode problems. See you in the next video.